Don't download CoreVest platform app before watching this. If you're considering CoreVest platform app for real estate investing, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's just another straightforward property investment app, but the surprising truth is that it comes with unique risks and limitations you need to understand first. CoreVest is primarily aimed at accredited investors and offers access to commercial real estate debt and lending opportunities. It promises high yields and passive income streams by connecting investors with real estate projects. On paper, this sounds ideal, but here's where most people get it wrong. First, liquidity. Unlike publicly traded stocks or ETFs, investments through CoreVest are not easily liquidated. Your capital can be tied up for months or even years depending on the project. If you need quick access to your funds, this could be a serious problem. Second, risk profile. CoreVest investments are tied to commercial real estate loans, which carry default risk. Even if the platform claims a diversified pool of loans, individual property defaults can significantly affect returns. This is very different from low-risk government bonds or diversified ETFs. Third, fees and transparency. CoreVest charges management fees, servicing fees, and sometimes origination fees. While these fees are standard in private real estate investing, they can eat into your returns if you're not careful. Also, understanding exactly how fees impact your investment can be confusing for first-time users. That said, CoreVest does provide some advantages for experienced investors. It offers access to deals that are usually unavailable to the general public, professional underwriting, and the potential for higher yields than traditional savings or bond accounts. In conclusion, don't download CoreVest expecting a liquid, low-risk investment platform. It works best for accredited investors who understand the risks of commercial real estate lending and are looking for potentially higher returns. By knowing the liquidity constraints, risk factors, and fee structure, you can make a smarter decision and avoid surprises that could impact your portfolio.